Upon their clarification, I hereby confirm my willingness to satisfy and or secure the satisfaction of all civil obligations that I may be liable for under the premises. On paragraph 17 of my aforesaid affidavit, I mentioned that Maynard Ngu and I are close friends and that he was also a close friend and campaign contributor of Senator Chis Escudero. To add, while I was attending the confirmation hearing of Secretary Bunoan sometime in August 2022, I was summoned by Senator Chis to his room. When I got there, he told me, hindi na ako bababa sa CA. Marami pa akong kulang na streetlight sa Sorsogon. Ano ba magagawa nyo para sa akin? I replied, kakausapin ko po si Sec Bunoan kung paano ang gagawin. I relate to Secretary Bunoan what Senator Chis told me. Subsequently, I received from the brother-in-law of Senator Chis Escudero a list of projects which included the aforesaid streetlights project. He asked me to confirm if that streetlights project was the one for Senator Chis, which I did. Sometime in 2023, Maynard Ngu told me to go to Cork and meet Senator Chis Escudero, which I did. I met with the latter in a private room in the said establishment. While we were drinking wine, he told me, alam ko naman ang galawan niyo dyan sa DPWH. Okay naman ako. Sabihin mo kay Sec magbaba sa akin. Also, the delivery of the 160 million for Senator Chis referred to in paragraph 17 of my affidavit happened sometime in the first quarter of 2025. Around July 2025, I had a chance encounter with Senator Chis and Maynard Ngu at the court. Senator Chis Escudero approached me, shook my hand, and said to me, thank you. I reserve the right to submit such further statements as may be warranted. I attest to the truth of the foregoing statements based on my personal knowledge and authentic records. This supplemental affidavit was executed in the assistance of a counsel. In witness thereof, I have hereunto affixed my signature this day of September 2025 at Metro Manila.